Now I chart the values from a two-variable data table, using lines to represent the different columns of the table. I create a scatter chart based on the two-variable data table. Select the range from K4 to P12. Click Insert tab. In Charts group, click Insert Scatter or Bubble Chart arrow button. Click Scatter with straight lines. Adjust the position of chart. Resize the chart. Scroll down. Remove the chart title. Click Chart Elements. Uncheck Chart Title box. Now I change the color of each line. Click Change Color Scheme. I select this scheme. Now I change the width of each line. Double click on chart. Select this line. Increase the width of this line up to 3. Then select this line. Increase the width of this line up to 3. Then select this line. Increase the width of this line up to 3. Select this line. Increase the width of this line up to 3. Then select this line. Increase the width of this line up to 3. The chart shows a different trend line for each of the 5 possible values for unit price. However, the prices are not listed in the chart, and Excel uses generic series name Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, Series 4 and Series 5 to use the unit price rather than the generic names in the chart. I must add the unit price values as series name. Active this chart. In Design Tool tab, click Select Data button. Click Series 1, then click Edit. In Series Name box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Similarly, select Series 2, click Edit. In Series Name box, select this cell reference, click OK. Select this series, click Edit. Select this cell reference, click OK. Select this series, click Edit. Select this cell reference, click OK. Select this series, click Edit and select this cell reference, click OK. Click OK. The chart shows how different unit prices will affect the relation between sales volume and net income. The horizontal axis represents the break-even point. So far, I have used what-if analysis with goal seek and data tables to analyze how much company can charge for its loader and what impact sales volume has on the company profitability. In the next session, I will use other what-if analysis tools to examine the impact of more than two factors on a financial outcome.